How about your foot?
It's what? Dead.
Is it dead? Oh, no. Oh, you're recording it? Oh, is she still doing it?
walk. Do it again and walk.
It's not going. It's doing my hand.
Do your ear.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Just do it.
Why do you keep doing this to yourself?
You're asking me to.
It's called
Oh,
peer
you
pressure.
say
It's called peer
Do your
I have a rash on my belly. I can't.
I have to get used to my hand first again. You're like getting possessed.
do it on your breasticles.
There's a wire in your bra.
Is there? There's, you're wearing a metal
Take your
necklace.
bra off.
It's not working. I quit.